Bye.
Alright y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Keandre. We finna just jump straight into this video. Y'all read the title. So I'm using that conditioner water. I'm going to be taking this Jackie's moisturizer on my brother's hair, as well as a tangle teaser, my wide tooth comb, and my fine comb, and then my jam. And I'm also going to be using Gorilla Snot gel, which I think I'm going to show later, and along with some oil and all that. Y'all will see throughout the video like all the exact products that I use. But y'all, this took me all day because I had to freaking detangle and demat my brother's hair. After this video, he know to detangle his hair because, honey, like when I tell you his hair was matted, some parts of his hair, and he said that he went in before even I did to try to get most of it out, so I guess it was worse. So that is what I'm using that fine tooth comb for, just because the tangle teaser did not get those little mats out. So I had to go from end to root with that fine comb just for that reason. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through his whole entire head and detangle his hair, and then after that we're gonna blow his hair out. Come on, we don't got time. Get up. All right, I'm gonna go in my room because like when I tell you I can sit more because it's not funny. Because I really want to go sit down. That's not funny. Because I really want to go sit down. We really want to take a break? No. Because I ain't going to want to get up and do it. Dude, your hair don't look, it barely look any different. Look at the camera. Turn your head this way. He goofy. Pick a focus point. Move.
You just told me to pick.
No, I'm saying like you don't gotta look at me. So now y'all, I'm just going in to create a middle part in his hair, and I'm doing that just because I don't know. I just wanted for him to have him. He's so dang on goofy. I just wanted him to have a middle part and then just work on the hair by doing like one half at a time. So that is exactly what I end up doing. Oh, ain't nobody looking at that.
Yes, they is.
All right.
Make sure my part clean.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Make sure it's clean and grease it.
You goofy, dog. Right.
I'm not tired, but I'm.
No, you something.
My energy exhausted.
So here it is. I am putting that. I believe this was the Gorilla Snot. Nope, that's the jam.
I'm finna be crispy on my. I'm finna be cold with it. You do that, bro.
Ain't gonna do.
You do that. Why you do that?
That was extra.
The reference?
What reference? Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. I trust you.
I'm Gucci.
I trust you, my cranium, my nigga.
Oh, you're so irritating. I'm sorry, why would I do your hair in just any type of way, bro? Why would I have you out here looking any type of way?
Cause you don't like me. Y'all see my beard coming in?
The voice! Where your voice go from?
What you mean?
Y'all see my beard coming in?
Nah. You wanna see my
Head
beard?
down.
You wanna see my beard coming in? Yo, it's your boy Dre.
Okay, hold on, I gotta get a brush. After I've jammed up his hair, I'm just gonna go in on one side and try to put it in a little ponytail. So I clip that out the way, and now I'm gonna begin working on one side of his head off of camera. Show them the progress. So far we did half of his head. I stopped to do my hair, melanin popping or whatever. Dre, say it. You didn't say it.
Melanin popping. Melanin popping.
So I've been using Dre. I've been using the jam for the sections, and I've also been using my handy dandy Gorilla Snot. I love Gorilla Snot gel. So we've been using these two, and I actually put the gel on the actual part that I'm gonna braid, just so it makes the hair come together, like clump together more. Dude, I brought some of this before and I lost it. Like, I don't know if it fell out the bag or what happened, but I just never found it. But this is Aunt Jackie. I love Aunt Jackie's products. This is Aunt Jackie's Freeze Rebel coconut and sweet almond oil. I'm not doing it. Hey. Drake, come on, bro.
I'm trying to show the people I'm not.
Turn it off. Okay, I'm finna turn the video off, and you finna be walking around looking like this.
Alright, bro, dang. Oh my God, you a hater, bro.
I'm not a hater, that's
I'm
just
giving
loud.
you content.
That's
See, I'm
loud.
giving you content.
No,
You
I'm
just
giving
say,
myself content.
This how you doing me?
I'm doing your hair.
Aren't you guys? Tell me
Oh,
down
that
in the
smell
comment section.
good. So I gotta be the same.
Bro, all you doing is moving my head back and forth. That's what we doing. I'm confused. Nigga, I'm doing this. I'm not a joystick. Braid me up.
Because you know why I'm doing that? I'm trying to look at the other half of your head. Do you want them to be uneven? That's why I was doing this, looking at the other half. So now I'm just gonna actually go in to show you guys how I actually did this entire process. So I end up doing 2 parts on each side of his head to create basically 3 rows of the box braids. These look so good. Turn around again. Let the people see. Get in. Get in. Them boys crispy.
I want him to lay down.
I lay down when a
Cool
do-rag.
kid during the day. Radical during the day.
Okay, so hopefully y'all was able to see what I was talking about by looking at that side of his head. But now I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going in. I'm actually parting out the rows first. And then I'm putting my Gorilla Snot gel on them. And just using my, what is that thing called? An edge brush. Just to brush those, that hair down. And just to keep the hair from, you know, getting into the other hair after you've parted it. And now I'm just going to go in and create little boxes and rubber band them up. It's nothing really much else to it, y'all. It's just like getting box braids, like regular old box braids. Of course, I ain't no weaving this because this is my brother. But yeah, so he didn't want all that, of course. So we just gonna go in, and I'm using the end with the comb on my edge brush to create his parts. And then I'm going around each individual square or box, and I'm putting a Gorilla Snot gel on it. And then I'm going in with the rubber band to rubber band it. I basically repeat this whole entire process. I like to get all the boxes done for the most part in each individual row, and then I go ahead into braiding. And for braiding, I did put the Gorilla Snot gel on the actual hair just so it can help it clump together, and so that it wouldn't be frizzy or anything like that. And I would comb that gel through each individual box and then begin to braid that way. So yeah, y'all, that's basically what I did during his entire head. It was super easy. I feel like super self-explanatory. Just some regular old box braids with some jam and Gorilla Snot. And yeah, y'all can just really watch me do the last 2 rows of his head. So now I'm coming up on about the last maybe 1 or 2. I think that's the last one actually. And yeah, I'm just braiding those, and this is how his whole head turned out. It looked pretty neat for the most part. I think I did that or whatever. I'm gonna go in with this bio silk mousse. Like I just mentioned, I'm just going in with this bio silk mousse, and the nozzle was all messed up, y'all, so don't even mind that. It actually ends up popping off in about a couple seconds. But yeah, we just used as much of that as we could, and then he actually went to go put his do-rag on. And I think he maybe after the video figured that he put a hat on top of it or something, because he wanted his braids to lay as flat as they could. So yeah, y'all, that was basically it. I oiled his scalp, and that was the end.
Yo, oil my scalp. Oil my scalp. What are you doing? Oil my...
Okay, they look good though, or whatever. Just some regular little box braids. Some of them look funny because I was not braiding them to lay down. And these rubber bands.
We'll check in on you guys right after the do-rag.
Wait.
I'm gonna put the do-rag on.
Wait.
Zoom in, and then when I take it off, it's gonna go back to the frame.
Oil his scalp with this, some more of this, and then that's really it. Period. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever ask was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. I never had to let you go to the